Today we're going to be talking about how to find a workout routine that fits your lifestyle and schedule. One of the biggest challenges when it comes to fitness is finding the time and motivation to exercise. However, with a little bit of planning and creativity, it's possible to develop a workout routine that works for you. So let's dive in. Assess your lifestyle. The first step in finding a workout routine that fits your lifestyle and schedule is to assess your current lifestyle. Ask yourself questions like, how much free time do I have each day? Do I work a desk job or a physically demanding job? Do I have any other commitments, such as family or social events, that take up my time? By understanding your lifestyle and schedule, you can start to identify times throughout the day when you can fit in exercise. Identify your fitness goals. Next, you need to identify your fitness goals. Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, increase flexibility, or just maintain your current level of fitness? Different goals require different types of exercise and different amounts of time. Once you have identified your fitness goals, you can start to research different types of exercise and create a workout routine that is tailored to your specific goals. Choose the right type of exercise. Choosing the right type of exercise is crucial to finding a workout routine that fits your lifestyle and schedule. Some types of exercise, such as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be completed in a short amount of time and can be done anywhere, while other types of exercise, such as weightlifting, require access to a gym or equipment. Consider your lifestyle and schedule when choosing the type of exercise that will work best for you. Schedule your workouts. Once you have identified the type of exercise that works best for you, it's time to schedule your workouts. This can be challenging, especially if you have a busy schedule, but it's important to make exercise a priority. Consider scheduling your workouts at the same time every day or week, so that it becomes a habit. You can also break up your workouts into smaller chunks throughout the day, such as 10 to 15-minute workouts, to make them more manageable. Be flexible. Finally, it's important to be flexible with your workout routine. Life happens, and sometimes things don't go as planned. Be prepared to adjust your workout routine as needed and don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a workout or two. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness, but it's also important to listen to your body and give yourself a break when needed. So there you have it. Some tips for finding a workout routine that fits your lifestyle and schedule. Remember to assess your lifestyle, identify your fitness goals, choose the right type of exercise, schedule your workouts, and be flexible. With a little bit of planning and commitment, you can create a workout routine that works for you and helps you achieve your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.